Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Outlook, how to add colorful emoticons and smiley faces. Press Windows and semicolon keys. Press Windows and semicolon keys. Press Windows and semicolon keys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.